Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi layok lai tili kijing kerpat nak yang syari Meghalaya High Court bat Nongbishar daladi kilapha dak kijing tho kumta ke sarkar kelarai ban Kyntiew ya ke song pisa. Kumta ke bai boarding galong shihajar unit shibnai ba Mynjur ban penpai ne reimburse Hakabede bat ka POL ba shispa liter shibnai kat kum kedor Meghalaya bat ka mobile bat internet kalong 1,000 arspa tengka shibnai dalor ka khajna la Mynjur dak ka Kynhun Myntri ban Kyntiew no. Dalor kaniu la pentip bru ba ka Kynhun Myntri kala ajing Mynjur ban penkalai ki kendon jang ka Meghalaya Housing Engineering and Technical Service Rules arhajar kat nyo na ka principal rules jang tanat housing. Konrad Kongkal sama ulong bagi ladan sekatuk ane tiligi puas kebelatau dak terat housing kumta yakini kikerdan hab ban kentup lang haga service rules bala penkelak nang ban kentup ikini ginong terai ke betemai kebelawara temai dak terat housing bat ikini kekam lak mi benia dak terat law terat personal bat terat pelatengkah.
For retired judges secretarial assistance and domestic help rules 2013. This is again meant for the retired judges in the Meghalaya or Shillong High Court and the perks and benefits that are given to them as post-retirement benefits. And there was a proposal that was sent from the judges themselves, and even the past judges have requested the state government to enhance some of the benefits to them. And the proposal was specifically meant for some allowance in terms of electricity, some allowance in terms of mobile connectivity and internet, and some allowances in terms of petrol and petrol expenditure. So these three requests came in, and as per the request made by the judiciary and the judges themselves have written to us. We have increased the amount. So in electricity, 1,000 units per month has been agreed to be reimbursed. In terms of POL, 100 liters per month. All this is as per Meghalaya rate, of course. And in phone and internet, an amount of 4,200 rupees per month plus taxes has been agreed by the cabinet to enhance the overall additional benefits to be given to retired chief justices and retired judges of the High Court of Meghalaya. Of course, once or as and when these judges are engaged in a particular activity or made chairman of certain commissions, then of course these benefits will cease to be given as they will get the necessary funds for the activity that they'll be doing. So, but apart from that, this is the amount, as I said, additional amount, which as per the request from the judiciary has been approved by the cabinet today.